student, myself Shumona from SIMMI Foundation. Today we are here to learn about an interesting topic named chromosome. Today we have to know what is chromosome, what is the structure of chromosome, types of chromosome and the function of chromosome. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to know what is chromosome and where chromosome is found. Chromosome is a long DNA molecule with part of all the genetic material of an organism. A chromosome structure found inside the nucleus of a cell. A chromosome is made up of proteins and DNA organized into genes. Each cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. Genes, the unit of inheritance, are located on the chromosomes on the gametes, passes from parents to progeny. Chromosomes term was introduced by Waldeyer in 1888. Number of chromosomes is fixed in each cell but varies from species to species. In human being, the total number is 46 or 23 pairs named a diploid. 2n. While in gametes, male or female, the number is 23, that is haploid. In 23 pairs of chromosome, 22 pair of chromosome are autosomes, while one pair is sex chromosome. Here, the chemical constituents of chromosomes are DNA, RNA, histone proteins, and non-histone proteins. Structure of chromosome. There is a centromere. It is located in a region of chromosome with which spindle fibers attach is known as centromere or primary construction of kinetochore. You can see in the picture. Second one is chromatid. One or two distinct longitudinal subunits of a chromosome is called as chromatid. Chromatids are of two types, sister chromatids and non-sister chromatids, as you can see in the picture given. And now P-arm and Q-arm. P-arm is mentioned as short arm structure and Q-arm are mentioned as long arm structure. As you can see that the Q-arm structure is slightly bigger than the P-arm structure. Q-arm is long and P-arm is slightly short than Q-arm. Telomere. The two ends of chromosomes are called as telomere. Telomere are highly stable and they do not fuse or unite with telomere of other chromosomes. And now the chromomere. The chromosomes of some of the species shows small bead-like structure called chromomere. The structure of chromomere in chromosome is constant. Here you can see some secondary construction. In some chromosomes, a second constriction in addition to that due to centromere, which is primary constriction, is also present. It is known as secondary constriction. It is present in short arm near one end, or in many chromosomes they are located in the long arm nearer to the centromere. The region between the secondary constriction and the nearest telomere is known as satellite. Therefore, chromosomes having secondary constitute are also called satellite chromosome or SAT chromosome. The chromosomes number 13, 14, 15, 21 and 22 are examples of SAT chromosome and it is very important. Here you can see the structure of SAT chromosome. And now you have to know about the chromatin, chromosome and chromatid. You already know what is chromosome are, but once again I decide that Chromosomes, a thread-like structure of nucleic acid and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells, carrying genetic information in the forms of gene. And now chromatid. Each of the two thread-like strands into which a chromosome divides longitudinally during a cell division, each contain a double helix of DNA. Chromatin, the material of which the chromosomes of organisms other than bacteria, example eukaryotes, are composed consistent of proteins, RNA and DNA. So chromosome is a thread-like structure of nucleic acid and proteins, and chromatids are the two thread-like structure of chromosome. Chromatin are the material which chromosome consists of protein, RNA and DNA. Here chromatin had two types, euchromatin and heterochromatin. Basic structure of unit of chromatin is nucleosome. Here the two type of chromatin are, one type of heterochromatin you can see in the picture. Heterochromatin consists of more condensed silenced gene methylated gene poor and stains darker, whereas in the euchromatin less condensed gene expressing gene rich and stains lighter than hemochromatin. And now we have to know types of chromosome. Here are two types of chromosome, homologous chromosome and heterologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome proteins are two chromosomes which are same, at least in terms of the gene sequences and loci. Whereas heterologous, which is non-homologous chromosome, pertain to any two chromosomes that are different, such as in terms of gene sequence and loci. Here homologous means same chromosome and heterologous means two different type of chromosomes. Now we have to know the classification of chromosome. According to the position of centromere, here four types of chromosomes are metacentric, submetacentric, telocentric and acrocentric. You can see the centromere position because it based on the position of centromere. Chromosome size shows variation depending upon stage of cell division. Longest and thinnest chromosome seen during interphase. In prophase, decreases in length, width and increase in thickness. Smallest chromosome seen during anaphase. Now we have to know the function of chromosome. It provides genetic information for cellular function of organisms. It protects genetic material, DNA, from damage during cell division. Chromosomes ensure a precise distribution of DNA to daughter nuclei during cell division. So student, in this video you can understand what is chromosome, structure of chromosome, types of chromosome, classification, chromosome size and finally function of chromosome. So I think you can understand today's topic. For today, that's all. Keep learning and thank you.